bringing you a bamboo-flavored oolong tea that has been very popular in the drink circle recently. You only need to use a few cents of tea cost to make a cup of unique signature drink. First add the tea leaves into the measuring pot, then pour hot water, then stir well, seal it well and start brewing for 12 minutes. After brewing, stir well, then filter out the tea leaves, add ice cubes and stir well. Smash the lychee meat, add ice cubes and our today's protagonist bamboo fragrance oolong tea. Our bamboo-flavored oolong has a moderate fullness, softness and taste, and the aftertaste is quite long-lasting. The natural and delicate bamboo flavor is suitable for making various fruit tea series with other ingredients. Lemon tea series and milk tea series. Then add the syrup and dragon fruit juice. Shake evenly. When lychees are in season, we must arrange our bamboo-scented oolong to match lychees to make a powdery lychee bamboo-scented fruit tea. Finally, pour it into the cup and it's simple to complete. If you want to know more about the latest information in the industry, just pay attention to our classmate Xiaoya. Bye bye, see you next time.